Good morning, children. Today we're going to start with the chapter number 3, that is subtraction. In subtraction, we deal with two numbers चैप्टर 3 है आपका सब्ट्रैक्शन. अब सब्ट्रैक्शन होता क्या है? सब्ट्रैक्शन में हम दो नंबर्स के साथ डील करते हैं और उन्हें सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं यूजिंग द ऑपरेशन ऑफ सब्ट्रैक्शन. ठीक है, तो सपोज यू आर हैविंग टू नंबर्स लाइक 4 एंड 3. तो हम क्या कर सकते हैं? 4 minus 3. This way we are doing subtraction, right? Now 4 minus 3 is 1. The answer you get after subtraction is called difference. क्या बोलते हैं उसको? डिफरेंस. सब्ट्रैक्शन में आप दो नंबर्स के साथ डील करते हो. वो ये दो नंबर्स हैं सपोज कर लीजिए, और उनको माइनस करने के बाद यानी कि सब्ट्रैक्ट करने के बाद आपका यहाँ आंसर 1 जो आ रहा है ना, आंसर सब्ट्रैक्शन के समय जो आपका आंसर आता है दैट इज कॉल्ड डिफरेंस. उसको आप डिफरेंस बोलते हो. एक बार आप देख लेते हैं. लेट्स हैव अ लुक एट दिस. So in this chapter you're gonna read this statement a lot of time that find the difference. आप ये चीज़ बहुत बार इस चैप्टर में देखने वाले हो कि लिखा होगा find the difference. Now what does this word difference mean is the number obtained when we subtract one number from the another number, right? That's called your difference. So let's just see this by an example. What is difference? Difference होता है कि जब आप the number, ये एक नंबर ही होता है जो आपका डिफरेंस होता है. ये एक्चुअली में होता है एक नंबर ही है. और ये नंबर कब ऑब्टेन होता है, कब आता है आपके पास? when we subtract one number. जब हम किसी एक नंबर को दूसरे नंबर से क्या करते हैं? सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं. लाइक if I subtract 35 from 40, just see, if we subtract 35 from 40, so we're gonna do it like this: 40 minus 35. We need to borrow, since 0 minus 5, it's not possible. 0 is a small number, so we cannot subtract 0 from, right? Since 0 is small number, so we cannot subtract 5 from it. 0 एक छोटा नंबर है तो हम उसमें से 5 subtract नहीं कर सकते. Subtract means to take out something. कुछ निकाल रहे हो आप. When you do subtraction, that means you are taking out something. If I write like 4 minus 3, right? It means I'm taking 3 out of this 4. मैं इस 4 से 3 निकाल रही हूँ, मैं बाहर ले रही हूँ इससे, राइट? तो इसका मतलब होता है कुछ निकाल लेना. यहाँ पे आप सपोज कर लो आपके पास 40 कैंडीज है और आपसे 35 कैंडीज कोई मांग रहा है. आपकी 40 कैंडीज में से कोई 35 निकाल रहा है. somebody is taking out those 35 candies out of your 40 candies. It could be anything, candies or whatever. That simply means when we put this sign, we are taking something out of something. We are taking this 35 out of this 40. Okay? So when we do subtraction, we do by single digits, right? So we always start from the right side. So here 0 minus 5 is not possible. This is not possible. So it need to borrow. Borrow करने पे your 4 becomes 3 and this 0 becomes 10. Now 10 minus 5 is 5. 3 minus 3 is 0. So this 5 is called your difference. It's called difference. Just like in your addition sums, the answer of two numbers after addition was sum. Similarly, in this subtraction, the answer you obtain after subtracting two numbers is called the difference. Okay? This is the one thing. Now we have to do the other thing as well. अब हम एक और चीज़ करने जा रहे हैं. डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द स्टेटमेंट यू हैव इन योर चैप्टर, जैसी आपकी स्टेटमेंट है इस चैप्टर में, यू कैन सी दिस, subtract the smaller number from the greater number to find the difference. Now you know what you have to do to find this difference. Simply you have to subtract. आपको माइनस कर देना. अब आपको पता है ये डिफरेंस का मतलब क्या है. डिफरेंस के लिए आपको माइनस करना पड़ेगा, राइट. आफ्टर दैट देयर इज समथिंग मोर. ऑल्सो चेक योर आंसर. ऑल्सो चेक योर आंसर. ही इज आस्किंग, or whoever has written this statement is asking you to check your answer. After subtraction, whatever the answer you are getting, you have to check in some way to make sure that you have done it correctly. So let's see how we can do that. Now let's come to the checking part. How to check. Now we're going to learn how to check. How to check your subtraction. How to check it. Let's see. Now I have two numbers. It's a statement like subtract 4 from 5 and check. Now how to check it? First, 4 minus 5, just subtract it. You're going to get 1. Now take these last two numbers. Take these two. 4 plus 1. Add them. Remember, whenever we do checking for subtraction sum, we always use addition. See the difference? It was different. That's why we subtracted. Now we have to add to check. This is for checking. How to check whether you have done correctly or not. 4 plus 5 is 5. Is this same as it? Yes, both are same. It shows you have done your question correctly. It shows this is a way to check whether you have done correctly or not. So that's how we check. Let's do it with a 2-digit number. Is an example. Remember, I'm going to do this sum only for checking. I'm not going to write the heading that I'm going to do checking here. So अब हम checking करना सीखेंगे 2-digit numbers पे. In case of subtraction. आपको याद रखना है, जब भी हम subtraction sum की checking करेंगे कि ये सही है या गलत है, हम addition यूज़ करेंगे, प्लस का साइन यूज़ करेंगे, हम उसको ऐड करके देखेंगे. सपोज मुझे ये करना है, आई एम गिवन विद द स्टेटमेंट 35 minus 30 and I have to check it as well. First I'll subtract 35 minus 30. Once you subtract, then you have to take these two. Take these two. Now we have to do checking. Right here, checking. For checking, I'm gonna take this 30, and this 5. Then I'm gonna add them. So it comes out to be this. 0 means nothing. If I'm adding nothing to 5, so it will remain 5 only. If I'm not adding anything to 3, it will remain 3 only. So this way. Now this one and this one, both are same. Both are same. It shows that you have done your question correctly. Hence checked. After doing this, if you find these both same, then you have to write this at the end, hence checked. I hope you understood it really well. Now we're gonna go to our main exercise to see how it works there. So let's start with our A part. First thing, remember you have to subtract from the greater number. Your greater number should come first. Out of these two, this one is greater, 4,417, and you have to subtract this one. This one. Not tell me, is this possible? Is this possible? The only problem in this way is that I have written the bigger number below. It's not at all possible in any way to subtract the bigger number from the smaller number. Not at all possible. So we cannot write in this way. Always remember to keep the bigger number on top and the smaller number below that number whenever you have to proceed with the subtraction. So let's do with the correct way. Okay. So first you have to write 5,638, then 4,417. Now subtract them. 8 minus 7 is 1, 3 minus 1 is 2, 6 minus 4 is 2, 5 minus 4 is 1. So now we're gonna check. अब हम चेकिंग करेंगे. चेकिंग के लिए क्या करेंगे, इनको उठा लेंगे. 4,417 प्लस, रिमेंबर यहाँ पे आपको प्लस करना है, you have to add here, then add them. You can get 8, 3, 6, 5. See, these both are same. It means we have done the sum correctly. So at the end of this we're going to write hence checked. Okay, this way you have to do all your sums. I'm not going to do all the parts. I'll do alternate parts so that you can do some of the parts on your own, and I'll be uploading answer key with it as well so that you can check your answers. So we're going to skip this one, B part. So let's do C part. 6,987 and 5,671. First subtract them. You're going to get 6, 1, 3, 1. Now checking. For checking, take these two. 5,671 and 1,316. Now add them. 7, 8, 9, 6. Now see, both are same. So we'll write hence checked. Simple. So I'm gonna skip this D part for you and I'm gonna do E part. Okay? The parts I'm skipping here, you have to do on your own. Okay, let's do E part. 9,999 minus 9,876. 3, 2, 1, 0. Now for checking, we're going to take these two. Checking. Take these two. 9,876 plus 0, 1, 2, 3. Comes out to be 9,999. These both are same. Hence